I'm here to tell you a secret that I learned about doing stop motion animation with these little guys. So I'm going to make lots of cute little TikToks using these little guys. But to do it, you have to put your camera, you have to hold your camera still. And the secret to making it happen is this. This is a remote. It's actually synced up to my phone right now that I'm doing this little TikTok on. So what I do is I set my phone up, pretend that this is a stand, only this isn't the stand. But you can set your phone anywhere. And because I don't want to touch the phone, because that will make the phone wiggle and make the shot less perfect. So this is a little remote control that I just click, 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 take the pictures. So what I learned from doing my very first one, and I think this is important, take my hand out of the shot, turn, take my hand out of the shot, turn, take my hand out of the shot. I had to delete a lot of pictures because my hand was in there, but let's do it. I'm 60, I'm Priscilla, and I love learning things. Follow us here at the 1870.